Welcome to JCB. Today we're going to do some walkarounds on the JCB Excavator product range. And we're going to have a look right now at the JCB 215LC. I'd like to introduce James McMillan and Desmond, who are going to take us around this product together. How are you doing, guys?
Really good. Pleased to be here.
Yeah, James, can you explain this machine to me? How much is the operating rate?
Yeah, so this is the 215NXT, and it's approximately 21 to 22 ton machine. So it's a heavy duty design for the harshest application.
Heavy duty means more production and it's
Absolutely.
reliable. Yeah?
Very, very reliable.
Can you explain me these buckets? What is its type and the size?
Yeah, so this is a 1.02 cubic meter bucket. Really efficient design, and load material into it fast and load out to be very productive and very efficient.
Oh wow, that's quite good. It's gonna be suitable for Indonesia. We like big buckets. And what about this plate? We never see this in Indonesia.
So on our 215, we fit a heavy duty big end as standard. And this is designed for really hard applications. So you'll see we have a lot of extra plating. Down here we have an additional plate that we add on. And we also have these very big wear bars. So if you have got harder material, you're going to have a dig end very well protected. It's going to last a very long time.
Oh wow, so it's well protected and also reinforced. Yeah. So is this what, general duty arm and boom?
Heavy duty. So
Heavy
our
duty.
structures are incredibly strong, deep in section, thick, a lot of steel in to last.
So you can use it for all application you want.
Very, very hard applications, tested to extremes globally.
So about the low structure undercarriage?
Yeah, so like all structures with JCB, heavy duty, thick steel, very strong X-frame design. Welded on top and bottom, optimized design. You'll see this is some of the thickest steel in the industry when it comes to the undercarriage. And we add extra reinforcement in this area, so if you're working in the most severe of applications, it's incredibly strong.
Oh, good. Nice.
And if you continue around to the side of the machine, that heavy duty design continues. So we have a long undercarriage and LC, so you have more track links, you've got better stability, but you'll also see we still have that really strong design. Thick steel that we use in these tunnels. We also add extra reinforcement in this area over here. So if you've got heavy material or you're working hard applications, so much strength in this area to last the test of time.
So it protects the structure. What about the spring? Does it protect the spring also?
Yeah, so you've got a big spring in here, and that's taking a lot of force backwards and forwards. And you'll see on some machines, it might start to open up like that from all that force. We put this reinforcement in to make this area the strongest of any machine, and we continue that the whole way back. So that gives so much strength in this track plate. Heavy duty machine.
Yeah, it's going to be helpful also because in some quarries there's going to be a lot of material on this side, right? So it protects this and the spring inside.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And that heavy duty design continues on the components that we use on the track chains, rollers, sprockets. So you'll see it comes with twin track guides as standard, and you have really high quality heavy duty chains, top rollers, bottom rollers, sprockets, and recoil units.
Yeah, it's going to be helpful for Indonesia because we have like 800 millimeters.
Yeah, so this machine's on narrow plates, but we do the wider 800 millimeter, which is perfect for Indonesia. And those wider track plates, we have such a strong undercarriage and components to deal with all the forces and twisting forces you get from wider track plates. All over. on the machining you'll get in Indonesia, these will have also.
Oh, before you do that, can we, in Indonesia, we honor safety a lot also. You can explain that we have 3-point access, 3-point touch, right? So it's safe to go out.
The difference on this machine, which is different on the machines you'll take, you see on the top of these don't have tread plates. On the machine, these don't have dimple plates. The machines you get have dimple plates on them, so it's different. Yeah. You've got a big toolbox. So lots of storage space. You can put anything you want to.
Do we give a toolbox as a present or like a bonus or standard when we
I think
sell?
you maybe get a grease gun in what you take. This is.
And we take the fuel pump as well.
Yeah.
So our machine comes with a fuel pump.
This is being tested and proven in the market for a very long time, and this is a mechanical fuel system.
Mechanical.
Mechanical meaning that it's so reliable when it comes to per fuel quality, but also with biodiesel as well. And customers absolutely love just how reliable and durable this engine is.
And easy to repair also, right?
Very, very easy to repair. We don't have a common rail system on this, which has a lot of complexity in it, a lot of things that can go wrong and can be very costly on a common rail engine when it goes wrong. It's a mechanical fuel system and customers really love it for that. But it also is very fuel efficient.
Very fuel efficient. Yes.
We have optimized this machine to give great fuel efficiency, great productivity and performance, but be so reliable.
It's reliable. If it breaks, you can repair it yourself. And yet again, you have dealer support also.
Absolutely,
Nice.
and good running biodiesel as well.
Wow.
So do you need an ECU to control this engine?
No, it's all mechanically controlled, so it's so simple, which gives us this great reliability. And it's a 6-cylinder engine, so you have a lot of torque, a lot of grunt in the engine to pull through.
So 6-cylinder, a lot of power for that big bucket,
Absolutely.
and no ECUs, so no ECU to go wrong. And I see some electrics there. Those electrics look like pretty expensive electrics.
No, really, really easy to fix. This is for the starter motor, so it keeps it so simple. Anyone can do the diagnostics and fix it.
We'll tell them. But good quality cabling connecting everyone.
Absolutely. All JCB machines, whether it be an excavator or any other product, has the highest standards when it comes to what we do on our electrics and
IP69.
IP69 rated really high for dust and water index.
Brilliant.
What we have here.
So this is in the pump bay. You'll see we've got wide, easy to open doors. And it gives great access in here. This is a Kawasaki pump that we couple up together with that really reliable Cummins engine. So together with that 6-cylinder engine, mechanical fuel system, and Kawasaki pump, super efficient, super reliable to run that bucket.
It's a double pump, yeah?
Yeah, twin pump design as part of this. High oil flow through it to the valve block to make it efficient and productive.
So we provide more hydraulic power.
Absolutely, and it's got power boost, so you can boost that pressure to get extra force through the ground to be more productive.
That's why we can manage to get one big buckets out of this engine, and combined with the hydraulic power from the pump, we get more power from the hydraulic and produce even more.
That's it. And you'll also see in here really good access to all the filters. You've got hydraulic filters, and these are long service intervals, so it keeps the cost down. And because it is a mechanical fuel system, we have some fuel filters, but we don't need lots of fuel filters. That then means it's not going to cost as much to run that machine over 5,000, 6,000 hours.
What is this thing?
So this is an accumulator as well as some solenoids. So we're able to give the features that our customers want, like power modes, eco modes, different travel speeds, but we don't have to have complicated ECUs, which are difficult to fix and diagnose. It's a really reliable, really durable, easy to fix should something ever go wrong.
Yeah, it's got quite convenience, good technology with simple components, right?
great access into all of this. JCB puts a lot of focus and attention on serviceability, service access, and ease of repair. You don't need a laptop to do any of the repair or servicing on this machine. That's a huge advantage. One of the only machines in this size class that do that.
So easy to maintain and easy to repair is important.
And we have thousands of these machines working in the most remote of applications where it's really difficult to get engineers to it, and they love the product because of that. It's so reliable and so easy to fix.
Oh, what is this? IntelliControl.
So this is our NXT cab. It's a really large, spacious cab. IntelliControl is the control system that the operator can get all the information they need to run the machine effectively and efficiently. And that's a full 7-inch color display.
Can we see?
Absolutely, yeah. So I've got a really comfortable seat.
94.3 का Maharashtra Day special. It happens only in Maharashtra.
Really comfortable seats. Low effort joystick levers, making it comfortable to use the machine. And you'll see here, as the operator, I get all the information I need readily available. So I can see what the fuel level is, I can see the coolant temperature, if there's any warnings that will come up, I can see the date, I can see the time, I can see the hours on the machine, and also I can see the amount of fuel left in the tank in liters. Now JCB does some unique things to make the product better and safer, and that also includes what we call the to-go system. So when I drop the isolator lever, I also then need to press another switch over here, which is flashing. And that is the to-go system. 2 inputs to make the hydraulics live. And when I put that on, it'll give me information. And what you'll see on the display is it also gives the right information to the operator. So this machine has low diesel in the tank, and it will tell the operator clearly what that information is with both a symbol and also text information. So if there ever is a problem, they don't need to have a laptop or a very experienced engineer to work out what the problem is. It will show on the display with some information, so everyone knows what they need to do to keep the machine running.
Very convenient, yeah.
And that's an amber warning. I guess you have some red warnings as well.
Yeah, so if the machine ever had a serious problem, then it will come up as a red warning, and that tells the operator something bad has happened. They need to stop the machine, but it also will give that information so they can quickly get whatever repair they need to done. So for example, if the coolant was low, that would come up as red, and then the operator would need to stop, top the coolant up, and then keeps the machine functioning the way it should do.
And it also gives information to the live link, yeah?
Yeah, so this machine is fitted with JCB's live link system, and that will pass information from the machine up, so owners can log into the portal and they can see information about every machine that they have at their convenience. So the operator can tell their owner of the machine they've got a problem, and they can then see that straight on the live link system. So a lot of power with that tool.
Yeah. And this cab seems pretty big. You know, that very nice place to work, and it's fully air conditioned, I think.
Yeah. Very spacious, air conditioning, as you say. We've got an opening front window, we have an opening roof hatch as well. Lots of glass around, so I've got great visibility, and also great visibility behind. So these are 22 ton machine. You want to be able to know where the excavator is, and you've got great visibility in JCB Excavator.